Okay, so I went ahead and I had this artwork printed out. I cut it out, I put it on my shirt, and I decided, you know what, it was a little bit too small. I would like to make it 10% bigger. So what I'm gonna do to do that is I will select my art. You can go back to transform and you can type in a new number if you want, but a lot of times people in the industry will throw around percentages. So it's good to know how to change your artwork based on that as well. So they want it 10% bigger, okay? So we're gonna go up to Object, Transform, Scale. This is where I like to do the percentages. You can do uniform or non-uniform, which is a lot like that link over here in the transform box. It's just going to constrain the proportions, the width and the height. So we do want uniform. So make sure that's checked. And, if it was at 100%, it would just leave it. But we want it 10% bigger. So we need to do 10% more than 100. So I'm going to type in 110% and scale everything. Check the preview guy. I'll say okay. So it's not much bigger. 10% isn't a huge difference, but it is technically 10% bigger. So now I'll go ahead and print this guy out and cut it out. Now, if anybody is dealing with, they want it smaller, let's say they wanted it 25% smaller, how would you do that? Same thing. You would make sure your artwork's selected. It's good that it's grouped. Go to Object, Transform, Scale, and think about your artwork. Right now it's at 100%. So you can always type in 100% just to kind of start there. And you want it 25% smaller. So you would say 75%. Okay. Whatever it is. So if it's smaller, you subtract from 100. If it's bigger, you add. It's pretty simple. And that's what you'll do. So I'm going to say cancel. Once you make those changes, print it out, cut it up, and try it on again. See if you like it or not. And ask everybody around you. The more opinions, the better.